Hi Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your July the 28th to July the 31st reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Meron po tayong mga readings din sa Babaylan TV. You might want to check on that. So, Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Aquarius, magsimula na tayo. No? Bakit parang feeling natin dito may pagbabagong mga nagaganap since no nagkaroon kayo ng separations, no? Instead of, kumbaga, let's say, dun muna tayo sa mga mag-asawa dahil ito yung parang pinaka-dominant na nakikita ko Aquarius. Parang sabi, magtatrabaho muna ako. So parang we're not going to be living on the same house. Siguro pupunta muna ako sa ibang lugar. Whether this is dito lang, no? Sa national or international. No? Pero bakit simula nung nagkaroon ng separation? Instead of nagdadalas, no? Dati madalas naman yung pag-uusap. Bakit ngayon parang hindi na nakikipag-usap, nawawala, no? Itong conversations. Laging may reason. And it kind of also make me feel that parang it's either itong si person A, it could be you, it could be your person, no? Pwedeng nandun ka sa person B. No? What I'm reading here is the dynamic. Parang sinasabi naman ito ni person A na medyo na umalis. Parang nawawala din yung feelings ko. No? Siguro, this is, syempre, meron ding talagang epekto, yung distance. No? Siguro, nandito tayo sa part na kasi hindi ko nakikita kaya hindi ko ganoon namimiss. So parang baliktad. Usually kapag hindi mo nga nakikita, 'di ba? Doon mo nga dapat namimiss. Pero bakit parang nag-iiba, no? Meron bang nagpapasaya? So ang dami ngayong tanong dito sa kabilang campus sa person B. Sa iba naman, ang nakikita ko dito is meron na talagang separations, no? Hindi man ito napunta sa ibang lugar. Parang nagkakabalikan tayo, no? Pero hindi siya katulad ng dati. Hindi ko na nararamdaman yung puso ko na tumitibok katulad ng dati. So, I am I'm feeling these changes, and probably it's manifesting the way how I approach you or shows my emotion to you, no? It becomes evident na din na I'm not that enthusiasm, no? Na makipagbalikan. Don't get me wrong, no? Hindi sa meron akong iba. Don't get me wrong, hindi sa ayaw ko. Kaya nga I tried it, di ba? Kasi hindi na talaga yun yung feeling. May something, meron something mali. Meron something na hindi natin ma-figure out. But one thing's for sure, the emotion is not the same, right? With the Hierophant, the Three of Wands, the Three of Cups. So what I'm seeing in here, yes, there may be an apology, or there's an apology that's been waiting for from this specific person, but it kind of make me feel it comes a little late, no, and it wasn't even given the way how it was expected. So parang sinasabi dito na yan na ba yung sorry mo? Parang hindi ko naman nararamdaman. I, you know what, I truly wanted to continue this connection with you, pero with what is happening right now, or with the way how you offered the apology, I felt like it's half baked, or not even, you know, even felt. It's not very heartfelt, no? Probably it's just something that you need to say for the sake of asking for apology. With the Justice and the Five of Pentacles. So I'm seeing here, yes, narinig ko nga yung apology, pero I feel like it's not enough. hindi ko ramdam at hindi ko nakita ang pagbabago. So I felt like instead of the feeling of seeing you is maibalik yung dati kong nararamdaman. But parang hindi ko na actually hindi ko nakilala yung puso ko. Parang iniwan ko yung puso ko somewhere. Tapos nung dinampot ko, parang napalitan siya. I didn't even recognize the heartbeat, no? You know what I mean? So parang hindi ito yung puso ko eh. Hi- it looks like it, but it doesn't feel the same to me. It felt like may nabawasan. It felt like, naibigay yata sa akin is counterfeit, no? With the death card and the knight of cups. So what I'm seeing in here is more of things are very slow as of the moment. So probably you're also slowly processing, no? Itong mga bagay na um, dapat ko pa bang ipagpatuloy ito? Or should I ask for a little more time for me to parang either comprehend what is truly happening or for me to sabihin natin figure out, no, what should I do, no, in this connection. With the Seven of Cups, the Knight, the King of Pentacles, and the Temperance. So for a few numbers of you, I felt like yes, I tried, but I also do not see myself engaging as of the moment. Probably I'm also too busy with my life. Pero parang this is not my priority for now. No, this is not my priority to make landian, no, or to have a conversation with you, the Queen of Cups and the Lovers. Um, it becomes a little less of my focus right now with the Queen of Cups, right? And the Lovers, sort of, yeah, nandiyan lang naman yung emotion, no, or love with the Magician and the Queen of Pentacles. So it felt like I need a little more, diba, from what you are giving. But up until I am not satisfied with actions or words, no, or the energy per se, it doesn't necessarily have to be na no, umarkila ka ng banda for me to just see your sincerity. Hindi ko naman hinihingi yon. It's just something that's innate to me na parang hindi ko talaga siya nararamdaman. No? Hindi ko nararamdaman. When I feel no, the sincerity of the apology doon, baka pwede pang maibalik ko itong attention. Um, with the Queen of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords, you're not truly happy. Maybe you're not truly happy with the apology, you're not truly happy with what is going on. You're not buying whatever it is that your person is trying to sell to you. No? So let's check the this could be your emotion or it could be your person's emotion Aquarius. No? I need some more time before I can come to you. So I feel like this is you, no? Um, hindi ko sa iyo maibibigay agad yung kapatawaran or hindi ko agad maibibigay sa iyo yung tiwala na hinihingi mo. Pwedeng sinabi kong, sige, okay na tayo. But am I truly okay? Am I ready for um trusting you back or trusting you once again? That's actually a different story. I may be okay that you are around, but I am not, but I didn't say that I am okay or I am ready to trust you again. I wish we could be together, but it's complicated. So I feel like for a few numbers of you, you were placed in a third party situation. Complications may not always be a third party situation, huh? But this is what's dominant. Um, it kind of make me feel na, yeah, so nag-sorry ka na. But I don't think na, parang nalamatan itong trust ko. So I don't think that you are not going to do that to me because it's already done, no? I mean, you already did it. So how can I be sure that this is not going to happen again in the future, 'di ba? So ang hirap. So parang sa'yo, parang binigyan mo na lang siya ng another chance, pero wala na dun talaga yung passion, no? Yung passion ng emotion. Unlike before, no? So ang hirap i-heal nitong ganitong emotion or energy. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So Sagittarius, Taurus, Gemini, Pisces, Virgo, um, Capricorn, Scorpio, Cancer, Libra, Leo. Yeah, so this is your reading, Aquarius. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience. And Aquarius, kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live session, sa comment section po pwede naman kayo magtanong as long as the questions answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling niyo hindi kayo satisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po nandun po yung link. All you have to do is to click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun, sa pinakababa po, nandun yung question form, how much per question, the QR code, the name, and the number. Kasi merong mga fake accounts na kumakalat, no, lalo na pag may message kayo, you can also reference that. Kapag hindi po yun nag-match, hindi po ako yun, huwag nyo nang ituloy, no. And hindi po ako talaga nagme-message like yung ako yung mag-initiate, hindi sa kayabangan, kasi this is for us, no, to also protecting myself, na hindi ako namimilit, no, kapag nandun na yung naramdaman nyo na may pamimilit, it's not me, no. So you might want to check on that and use that for reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so that is a discounted price. And if you want to avail our private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. So Aquarius, tuloy pa rin ang manhunt. No, nandun po sa description box din ang link ng fake accounts. So kung gusto nyo manalo ng free ng raffle sa na free reading, report that accounts, then send it, screenshot it, and send it to the designated email na nandun din po sa baba, no, para makakabunot po ako ng lucky winner for a private reading. So, Aquarius, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.